viewers, how you? Hello viewers, how you? Hopefully you're fine. This is a very good strategy, and it will give you a very good results. Okay, just need to watch my video complete. Okay, because this is a very perfect strategy, and you can use it in the 1 minute, 30 and 3 minute time frame. Let me show you in 3 minutes. For the scalping in gold in 1 minute time frame, this is awesome. Make some changes in the king cobra indicator, and here you can see the results in the win rate is around 61%. But we do not need to concern on this one. We have need to concern on scalping strategy. Although the strategy is very good one, if a loss in one trade, definitely recover in the next trade. How? Let me show you. Here you can see this is the buy signal, and you can see the market goes upside, and you got amazing one. Okay, let me show you the most recent one signal here. Okay, here you can see this is the buy signal here appear, and you can see this is the short signal, and here we got the buy signal. But I will show you how you can use this strategy, and how this strategy can make you a very good profit. I will show you the all details. Okay, just watch the first we have to watch the scalping one. We have need to concern on the scalping strategy. Okay, because if you will watch one time this strategy work awesome, and you will definitely will get awesome results. Okay, let me show you how. I will show you the whole details in the video. Okay, here you can see, I think there is some internet issue maybe, but that's fine. Okay, remember, there are some rules. This is the trend line. Okay, this is the RSI. Both the strategy is contain the RSI and the this one trend line. Okay, trend line is green, you can see the market goes upside, but we need confirm signal. Okay, we do not need like fake signal. We need only confirm signal. How? Here you can see when the line is green, and the RSI should be upside from this line, and the candle come upside from the RSI. RSI should be the green one, and this line should be the green one. Here you can see, you can open your buy position. Let me show you. I will show you a lot of trades here, do not worry. Here you can see RSI should be okay. RSI, okay, that is my virtual private server, and that I already show you the auto trading bot results in the virtual private server, and you can watch my previous videos. Okay, now remember, I told you when this line is red, oh sorry, red, okay, and the RSI should be below from this one, red one. RSI candle is below from the okay, RSI should be below from the trend line. That is okay. The second condition, candle this RSI should be the red one. Okay, now open your sell position. Okay, here you can see another sell position, and you can see you have to do scalping, and I will show you a lot of trades here. Okay, do not worry, just need to watch the complete video. Okay, here you can see there is no trade in this area, you do not trade. Okay, here you can see RSI was upside, and RSI was green. Okay, and you can go for the buy trade, and here you can see. Let me show you some perfect trade. We are looking for the perfect trades only. Okay, here, that is another buy position, but that is not a perfect trade like as mentioned. Okay, that is a perfect trade. Here you can see, you can open your sell position, and you can see that is there is another sell position at this point as. Okay, now let's move further, and I will show you more trades. Okay, here from this point no trades. Okay, but here you can see this one is candle is not this one. Okay, when you got the signal, the price was 3989. Okay, and price more move from 89 to 90. That is a very short signal. Okay, it gives a very small profit. Okay, let's move further. We need to concern on like RSI and this one. Okay, here you can see the RSI is upside from the trend line, and both are green ones, so you can open your buy position. Okay, now let's move further, and here you can see that is one buy trade from this point. Okay, here you can see this one, you got the signal as well. Okay, and you can see the results. Okay, let's move further, and here you can see that is a perfect one. Let me show you how. You have need to catch this type of signal when the RSI should be below from the trend line, and the RSI should be the red one. Okay, then you can open your buy sell position. Okay, here you can see RSI was upside, and this one here you can see this one scalping, go buy position, and you got the profit here. Okay, and you will get a lot of trades. Okay, and you will get definite all the results. Hey, let me show you the results here in the this one. Okay, I will show you the results of this skin copra indicator. Buy signal, you can see the results. Sell signal, you can see the results. Scalping. Okay, and here you can see, let me show you. Okay, and the alerts are available of this indicator. Okay, do not worry. Alerts are also available. Just need to take small profit and consistent profit. That's it. Okay, okay. Here you can see there is a trend confirmation as well. Here you can see uh, sell one, and you can see here green one, market goes upside. Okay, here red one, you can see market goes here, the green one you can see. Okay, and let me show you one, let me show you more trades. Okay, let me show you more. You can also confirmation this one. Okay, okay, here you can see this strategy is work awesome in the gold in 1 minute time frame. Even you can use in other time frames, and in all pairs like forex, crypto, stock. You can use this strategy in all markets. Okay, and here you can see the results is going awesome. You can in the almost 50% accuracy in the 1 minute time frame. That, but if you will follow my rules, then it will give you the accuracy of around 80 to 90%. In the 3 minute time frame, it is already giving you around 60%. But if you follow my rules, you will get accuracy of around 90%. Okay, here you can see this one. Okay, here you can see. Okay, here and so on. This is the sell signal. You can see market going downside, and here you can see the buy signal. You can see the market goes upside. You got another profit. Let me show you more. Here, that is a very small profit. Okay, that is a very good one. Okay, and let me show you more. Okay, more, and here you can see that is a false signal. Okay, and let me show you more. Okay, here let me show you the results in the 3 minute time frame. Okay, it is giving you a accuracy of around 61%. Okay, just need to follow rules. Let me show you. Okay, here you can see the signal will be look like this one. Okay, that is a very good signal, that is a very good signal. The short signal is also good one, the buy signal is also good one. Okay, here we got the short signal, and let me show you more. Just need to create alert and then go. Here you can see the sell signal that is not profitable, but in the next trade, if you got the false signal, do not worry, because in the next trade your profit, your loss recovery and the profit is in the next trade. Okay, if for example you are trading with a lot size of 0.01. Okay, then after losing one trade, in the second trade you have need to place and with the lot size of zero point zero 0.02. Okay, because in the next trade you will recover your loss and the profit as well. Okay, let me show you more results. Okay, here you can see this is the buy signal, and it's give you a very good results. Okay, like here you can see in the that is a false signal, but in the next trade I mentioned recovery and the profit. Here you can see that is a very good signal. Okay, okay, let me show you more. Here you can see more results. Here you can see buy signal, it's give awesome. Okay, and more signal. Okay, where okay, that is a false signal, but we do not need to enter at this point. We need to trade when this green line should be changed to the red one. Okay, and here you can see, if you want to scalp it, here you can see the only the trend line is giving you a very confirmation, like here this one that is a profit, that is a profit, that is buy trade is a profit. This is another scalping, this is another one, that is a false signal. But you can see in the next trade, okay. And here you can see this one, you have need to scalping and need to take small profits, okay. Here you can see the results is really awesome, okay. You can see the results is really awesome. If you need the indicator, you can contact me, you, and any question, any query, you can ask me, okay. For the next video, bye bye, take care.